In music, there are only 12 notes in existence. C, C sharp, D, D sharp, E, F, F sharp, G, G sharp, A sharp, and B. The interval between each note is known as a semitone. So for example, C is a semitone lower than a C sharp, and A is a semitone higher than a G sharp. Every song ever written is made up of a combination of some or all of these 12 different notes. This block of 12 notes in sequence is also known as an octave. Anything above or below them are the same sequence of notes, but just in a higher or lower octave. So for example, a D3 is an octave lower than a D4, and an F5 is an octave higher than an F4. The octaves shown above with all 12 musical notes in an ascending order of pitch also make up what is known as the chromatic scale. There are several other scales comprising of different sets of these notes. For example, the major scale is only C, D, E, F, G, A, and B, whereas the minor scale is just C, D, D sharp, F, G, G sharp, and A sharp. Many pieces of music are written using specific scales and the corresponding notes within them. For example, the Beatles' Let It Be is written in the major pentatonic scale. The RP-8000 MK2 turntable offers the ability to perform using up to 22 different scales, which include pentatonic, blues, Arabic, and many more. For the full list of scales, you can refer to the Platter play mode document, which you can download from the Reloop website.